start with the 56th example here, and what is said in this example: the bob of a stationary pendulum is given a sharp hit. So here this is the bob of a stationary pendulum, and it is given a sharp velocity at lowest point, which is equal to under root 3gl, and we need to find the angle it rotates, the angle through which it is being rotated by the string before it becomes slack, that is tension becomes 0. So at which position tension is getting 0? Now we know that tension at any position in vertical circle is given by mv square upon r plus mg cos theta, where vp is the speed at that position, any general position. Now we need to find tension. So when tension becomes 0, it will be mvp square upon r plus mg cos theta. So this mg cos theta will come on this side, so that becomes mg cos theta is equal to minus m vp square upon r. So this m and this can get cancelled. So I can say this cos theta would be equal to minus speed at point p square upon the radius, which is nothing but length of string, into g. Let us say this is equation 1. First we need to find the speed at position p. Now speed at lowest position is known to us. We have to find speed at any position p. So in that case we should use the relation vl square minus vp square is equal to 2gr in bracket 1 minus cos theta. So the velocity at lowest position is root 3gl. So due to square it becomes only 3gl minus vp square is equal to, let's multiply this inside, so it will be 2gl minus 2gl cos theta. So therefore on solving you will get vp square as 3gl minus 2gl plus 2gl cos theta by taking vp on this side while this whole term on this side. So speed at point p square comes out to be gl plus 2gl cos theta. Now put this value of vp square in equation 1 and get the value of position where string is getting 0, getting slacked. So cos theta would be equal to minus, so it would be gl plus 2gl cos theta minus sign outside upon gl. So I can say cos theta is equal to, I can take gl as common. So if I take gl outside, so it becomes 1 plus 2 cos theta upon gl. This gl get cancelled out. So cos theta would be equal to minus 1 minus 2 cos theta. This minus 2 cos theta will come on this side, while cos theta plus 2 cos theta will be 3 cos theta. So cos theta comes out to be minus 1 by 3. We don't know what is the value of what angle cos is minus 1 by 3. So I will write our answer as theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 3. That should be the answer to this question. Thank you.